Hi, I'm Fire Alarm the Smart One, and what the freak? It's May? No. This is blasphemy. That's it. I'm calling up my boy, Obama. Yeah, that's right. 44th President of the United States on my phone.
Hello?
Hey, Obama, why is it May?
This is Obama. This is lanyard.
My arch nemesis. My arch nemesis!
Why does blood have beef with me?
Okay, bucko. You think it's so smart to just win the challenge and get my team up for elimination. Well, guess what? I won't take it anymore.
So, what's the deal with airline food?
I will not tolerate this any longer.
Bro, what?
That's it. Using my quirk. One for April! My fellow Americans, April Fools.